Majority Dodge Charger wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, a trick by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Dodge Charger hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Dodge Charger wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Dodge Charger wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Dodge Charger wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheel. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This Dodge Charger wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Dodge Charger wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Dodge Charger wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Dodge Charger wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provides a longer service life. Selecting the best Dodge Charger wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. Bonus forged multi-stage half-century Dodge Charger wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Dodge Charger wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, Bonus forged multi-stage half-century Dodge Charger wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, Bonus active cooling Dodge Charger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in taper shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of accurately dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, Bonus forged active cooling Dodge Charger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. If you want to get the Bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. That's for you and have a good day.